Nagluto ako maha, kaya gumawa muna ako ng latik. 2 cups of coconut milk yan. Ang ganda ng coconut milk na nagamit ko kasi maraming coconut oil. Okay, umpisahan na natin. 2 cups of cornstarch.
Ito mo ba yung pagiging
Dulot niya lang sa 1 cup of water.
3, 4, at mo pa natin.
Ganyan. And then set it aside. Okay, next. High heat ang ginamit ko. 4 cups of coconut milk. Next is 1 can of evaporated milk. 1 can of condensed. 1 can ng whole kernel corn. Then 1 can ng cream style corn. Then we mix it. You can add granulated sugar kung kulang pa yung tamis. Okay, I'm mixing and cooking it in high heat until kumulo. Until it boils. Yan na. Then, I lower the heat and cook it for another 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, ilalagay na natin yung sinet aside nating cornstarch. Then mix. Haluin lang until magbuo-buo na siya. Like this. Konti pa. Until magganyan na. Pwede na yan. Isasali na natin yan sa container. Kung gusto niyo halito softer, kanina nyo pa dapat hinango. Kung gusto nyo firm, yan, ready na. There you go. Salin ko na at pinalamig ko na. Now, lagay na natin yung latik. O, diba? O, diba? Simple lang. Maha blanca.